Welcome everyone, Daniela here, and today I'm scrapping with the September main kit only. Well, we have got so many beautiful products in the main kit. We have got rub-ons. You see that we have amusement park themed things, but also back to school stuff. Then we have these chipboard pieces, and there are a lot of frames and tags and words and circles and everything you just wish for. And then we have puffy alphabet stickers. I love those. They have got quite a nice size, so you can use them as titles or for adding a few details. And then we also have beautiful enamel dots and ephemera, which come in each and every main kit. And of course, we have lots of beautiful pattern papers. Well, yeah, today I want to focus on two main colors only. So, whenever you can't decide what color to go for, I really recommend just picking two because if you just pick two colors, it's easier to create a balanced page. And well, this time I am going for pink and shades of blue. So we have this patterned paper with beautiful stars, and then I also have the hexagon paper, which comes in light pink, and I just layer three different papers here behind my picture, and this is the basis of my page. And afterwards I can start playing with those ephemera and of course with the chipboard pieces. Well, I really like this carousel which we get, and I think the combination of light blue and pink is just gorgeous, so I'm going for this color combination here, and I try to to add spots of pink on both sides. So I will have a cluster here on the right hand side and then on the left hand side as well. And I'm just starting to place everything and to see what it looks like. And then I felt that I have to rearrange my picture because the carousel is quite big. So here I can place another frame and this beautiful pocket, which says best, and this is also going to be the display for my title. So this is quite an easy way to create lots of dimension if you just layer different die cut pieces and chipboard pieces. This way you have a lot of texture and a lots of dimension, which is something that I like a lot on my pages. All right, so here I just add the word day. So the title is going to be Best Day. We went to the amusement park in summer, and it was quite a nice day. So all the embellishments here fit my picture perfectly. We have those tickets, we have the carousel, we have beautiful sayings which you could also choose from, but here I just wanted to go with all those ticket shapes, and I'm just trying different versions if I need some more chipboards, but I feel that this is almost enough, so I can just start adhering everything. And I most of the time like to also add some phrases to my pages. So we have these blue phrases here which I'm adding, and I also want to use the rub-ons, and there is another saying or another phrase. So all kinds of amazing. And again, here we have blue and pink in combination. And yeah, this is what I like a lot. And then I want to place this chipboard piece there. It's going to hold my date stamp later. And let's try some more rub-ons. Rub-ons are a nice addition to paper because you get another feeling of another dimension here because it's flatter than the paper, and that is something that I really like to add to my projects. And we have beautiful leaves, we have stars, we have words, phrases, we have a big scenery of roller coaster and a big wheel. So you have a lot of different rub-ons to choose from. And here I just cut apart the stars. They come in a stripe, but I cut them apart to have single ones so I can place them here and there and spread them all over my page. And that is really a fun thing to do. I love using rub-ons. And I'm really happy that we get some in the main kit this time. And I think that there is plenty of use in just one package. So if you haven't done so, start playing with yours. You have a lot of them in the kit, so don't hesitate to use them. All right, well, you see that there are some stars spread all over the page now, and I also want to add some color splashes later, and you also see the beautiful pattern paper here, which I set aside, and that is going to be the frame for my white cardstock later. So I want to place the cardstock on this pattern paper to have another shade of blue. And in the end, I think that this is quite a balanced color scheme, and just added some splashes of yellow here to have another color here for some details, but you see all the rest is pink and blue. Well, I hope you liked my way of using the main kit. Have fun using yours, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks so much for watching.